stop raining. I want to go outside and enjoy my garden. I'm depressed. Stop raining.
Words spoken, torn apart, shattered pieces.
All right, so
broken hearts.
sunshine,
Love
rain,
blows
or
down,
snow,
wither
or
away.
blizzard, or whatever it may be,
Nothing
the chickens got to be let out
display.
and they got to be fed. So that's where I'm headed right now. Is it raining where you're at? It's been pouring down over here in Georgia, in the Decula area. It's just been pouring out, Gwinnett. This gate here, I think I broke my, trying to do that one hand. I snapped the tray, but I got a whole bunch of these.
Memories linger,
Wow, it's all
constant.
soaked up in here.
Heart pieces can't retain. Time will heal scars.
This is lentil seeds. Usually I'll be giving them some barley, which is fodder. It grows, have it grow just like this. Just a couple of days. Just a couple of days, it just turns into a big mat like this that you can feed your chickens. So if you haven't, when it's really cold out and you don't have no access to grasses and stuff like that, you can just make some barley sprouts inside your house, or you can take lentil seeds and do the same thing and give the chickens a little something to snack on, If I were you all, I would just stay in the crib today. Nasty out there. But the chickens, they'll stay out in the pouring rain all day long instead of staying underneath the protection there in the run and in the coop where it's, nice and dry and all that. They'd rather just stay out in the rain all day. Of course, they want to forage. They want a free range. And so they have all that over there, all this there to free range.
Early sun and the biggest sky reefs hills that I have ever seen. These old stone walls and the ones they're holding, the only place I wanna be. Flashlight light as it comes shining in your door. Catch those words as they go by. Catch that wave as it crashes over you. And keep the fire alive.
I had my seed starting tray tables out here on the patio,
In the dark,
but it rained so hard last night, and I forgot to tuck them in underneath my deck, so I had to come out this morning in the heavy rain and move them over. But everything is good, nothing got ruined. Well, the Lord has spoken. Bull, you will not be out in the garden today. I'm putting the garden at rest. So go inside, drink your coffee, watch some videos, and enjoy yourself, because it's too muddy to be outside. So that's what I will do. Must listen to the Lord. The Lord said today is a day of rest from the garden. Peace and love.